Come March 31, if the water district has not settled their obligations by then, their financial obligations, we will have to explore all our legal options that are given to us by the contract and by law. Part of that, of course, unfortunately, one of our options is to disconnect the supplier, Mr. Chairman. But just to reassure this City Council that we are still open to discussing matters with the water district and settling this, hopefully, amicably.
But so with that statement, it is clear to us now that it's not the final decision now of COBI to cut off the supply, because you know what will happen to the people of Cagayan de Oro if you do that.
We understand, Mr. Chairman. Yes, we understand completely, which is why we have been deferring that, taking that decision for quite some time now. In fact, kami kasi po, from our side, kami naman po yung naiipit with our financial obligations with the banks. You have to remember, part of the reason why the loan was granted to the company was because there were guaranteed increases, automatic increases in the tariff. So without that, if that's not paid on time, kami naman yung in danger of default.